This is a brand new 2014 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, BMW apps, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: BMW Assist, Comfort Access, Cruise Control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW Individual Composition, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.